If you ever find yourself constantly clicking across tabs in Chrome, this quick tip is going to save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you how to change tabs in Chrome quickly using simple keyboard shortcuts on Windows, Linux, and Mac. This is one of those small productivity tricks that can make your browsing feel much faster and more efficient, especially if you work with research, emails, documents, or multiple websites at once. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. On Windows and Linux, the shortcut to move to the next tab in Chrome is Control plus Tab. So if you have several tabs open and you want to jump forward one tab at a time, just hold Control and press Tab. Chrome will immediately switch you to the next open tab. If you want to go back to the previous tab, use Control plus Shift plus Tab. That moves you in the opposite direction, taking you to the tab on the left. These shortcuts are super useful when you're working fast and don't want to interrupt your flow by using the mouse. Now, if you're on a Mac, the shortcuts are a little different. To move to the next tab, press Command plus Option plus the right arrow. That will take you forward through your open tabs. And to go to the previous tab, press Command plus Option plus the left arrow. So again, on Mac, next tab is Command, Option, and the right arrow, while previous tab is Command, Option, and the left arrow. One thing I recommend is practicing this a few times until it becomes muscle memory. The more you use keyboard shortcuts, the faster your workflow gets, and the less time you spend hunting for tabs with your mouse. This is especially helpful if you're doing deep work, comparing pages, or switching between tutorials in your own notes. If you only remember one thing from this video, remember this. Control plus Tab moves forward, Control plus Shift plus Tab moves backward on Windows and Linux, and Command plus Option plus arrow keys do the same on Mac. It's a tiny shortcut, but it can make a big difference in your day. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.